Column editing. Edit column. This command is used to edit columns that have already been drawn in the floor plan. Click the Edit Column function. Specify the first corner point of the column edit area. Specify the second corner point of the column edit area. Set new column parameters. Click OK. Column editing completed. Delete column. This command is used to delete multiple columns in the floor plan. Click the Delete Column function. Select the column to delete. Column deletion completed. Move column. This command is used to move multiple columns in the floor plan. Click the Move Column function. Select the column to move. Specify the base point for column movement. Specify the end of the column movement. Column move completed. Column solid fill. This command is used to solidify selected hollow columns in the floor plan. Click the Column Solid Fill function. Select the columns to be filled solid. Column solidification completed. Column hollow. This command converts solid columns in the floor plan to hollow columns. Click the Column Hollow function. Select the columns to be hollow. Conversion from solid to hollow columns completed. Intersection processing. This command processes the intersection lines of beams, walls, and columns in the floor plan. Click the Intersection Processing function. Specify the first corner point of the column intersection line processing area. Specify the second corner point of the column intersection line processing area. Column intersection processing completed. Enlarge column. This command enlarges the column in place for the creation of a detailed column drawing. Click the Enlarge Column function. Select the column to enlarge. Enter the drawing scale of the existing drawing. Enter the enlarged drawing scale of the column. Column in place enlargement completed. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.